So it's that time of year when us bakers like to start strutting our stuff, so I say let the strutting begin. Next Sunday, October 12th, in our next live class about a couple of my favorite tarts. I think tarts are the perfect dessert in this run-up to the holidays because they're festive and they're handsome and they're really no more difficult to make than your average pie. They just look that way. Now our first tart features pears and almonds because, well, this is a flavor match made in heaven. We start with a tender shortbread-like pastry, then we smooth on a thick layer of almond cream, what the French call frangipane. That layer is topped with sliced pears, canned if you want a shortcut, and slivered almonds. Pop it in the oven, and a little while later you've got a gorgeous tart that tastes like $1,000,000 and makes you look like a trained pastry chef. Now the Brits know how to work their own magic with frangipane and what they call a Bakewell tart. Now this can be made as a full-size 9-inch tart, but we'll be doing individual ones with this same pastry and same almond cream, but with a surprise layer of fruit preserves. Cherry's my favorite. These taste like a moist almond cake and the world's best pastry, and with a hot cup of coffee they are out of this world. So if you're ready to up your tart game, do not miss this class. We'll be covering lots of new ground, including a tart pastry we haven't made in class before. Sign-up information is below, and remember, if you can't make it live, you can always make it later because you get full access to the recipes and the replay. Take care, and we'll see you in class.